This is hands down the best apple butter I've ever had.
Here's how you make it. In your favorite slow cooker, core and chop 6 pounds of apples. I used Cosmic Crisp because they were on sale. Add 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of ground clove, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix well and cook on low for 8 to 10 hours, stirring occasionally. Once your apples have cooked down into a rich, dark brown mahogany color, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and blend well. Continue to cook on low for another few hours until you get a thick, rich apple butter. 6 pounds of apples will make about 80 ounces of apple butter.
Good, stop.